Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today I just wanted to quickly share with you something that I made to house these Pokey tools. I did a video on this last week, but I will put the link down below just in case you guys missed it. But I made these little Pokey tools here and I was going to gift them, but I just didn't want to stick them in a baggie and go on my merry way. So I was looking up some tutorials on some pen holders. So I'm going to show you what I made, and I will put the link down below to the tutorial that I followed. And the people that I have gifted this to already got it, so that's why I'm going to share with you. So the first one is this. It's an actual pen box. So what I did was I just used some 110-pound cardstock for the base, and then used my Hello Kitty paper to dress it up, and then I added a cute little bow, and then these are the beads for the bracelets in the kid area. So I put Tammy's name here. Super simple. So all you have to do, and it fits perfectly. See, perfectly. And you can even put the let me see if I can find one. So I have this one right here. This is the bubblegum beads that have the bigger beads on here, and it actually still fits. Let me just do it off camera. So it fits right in there, if you could see that, and I even tucked in the bow. So this does fit the Pokey tools with the bigger beads. So just in case you were wondering, so this one's for Tammy. It sticks right in there, if you could see that. It has a lot of room, so you can actually put more than one item in there if you choose. And then the next one is for Anna. I'm going to be seeing both of them today, so I'm going to gift them these. Same thing, the bow with the name. And then just toss this right in there, and voila, you have a gift box for your Pokey tools if you want to gift them out. But I followed a tutorial, super easy. I will link it down below just in case you guys wanted to make some fancy schmancy boxes for your Pokey tools when you do gift them. So yeah, these are my little Pokey tools gift boxes that I made. So I hope everybody has a fantastic weekend. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.